So you want to get your songs on TikTok? Follow this video and I'll show you exactly what you need to do.
Oh, Dante doing shit like.
First, what you need to have is, a good song, something that can be utilized, something for dancing, or something that can be easy as like background music for something informative. Don't put up no trash, no boo-boo. No, don't put up no boo-boo track. Yeah, none of this. That? No. What is this? Alright, so y'all get the picture. To get your songs up there, you need to have a music distribution service. Personally, I use Distrokid, but you got Amuse, CD Baby. Heard that was kind of good. TuneCore, what is this? Record Union, yeah. Reverb Nation. What was another one? I think it was like United Masters, something like that. But me personally, I use Distrokid, and I have a referral link in the description, so you guys can join up too. You guys get 7% off, so that's pretty cool. So when you're uploading your music, you need to make sure you select all the stores that you want your music to be on. Snapchat is the only one that I don't really pick, just because it's not that I really care. I just don't do it. But you can pick how many songs you want. Go all the way up to 35. You can select if it was previously released. You got your name, Spotify. So pretty much you just want to go down the list and fill in what needs to be filled in. Add your picture, your album cover, which language, genres, simple stuff like that. Yeah, I'm just putting like small stuff here just to use for example. I'm not, trying to upload a song. I don't got anything to upload right now. Of course, you gotta add your song, the actual music file, songwriter names. If you have explicit lyrics, be sure to put that up there. If it's a radio edit or any type of edit, be sure to put that up there. You can list the price, and they got all those extra goodness that Distrokid offers. Yep, more important checkboxes, mandatory. And then once you fill all that out, finish everything, you just click done, and then it's gonna go through their system, and they're gonna work on getting it released to the stores. And that's it. Let me know what you think of the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you guys want more. And like I said, if you guys want another video explaining how, to get your song, buzzing, at least, I can give you guys a couple tips and tricks on that.